Now listen here. I ain't reading The Girl Who Rode No Unihorn. I don't read nothing. Never needed to. Books is for them pointy-headed experts who think they know everything. I get all my facts off bumper stickers and Cousin Billy Bob's Facebook. This book, The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, talks like maybe we should care about the planet. Like the future 100 years from now actually matters. Hell and damnation. I don't even plan past Saturday. So don't y'all go reading The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn. Last thing we need is more people caring about the icebergs melting and the oceans rising up and fussing about kids that ain't even born yet. Just a bunch of horse plop.
Don't read The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn.
Just like Cletus says, global warming is a bunch of bullpucky. Ain't no reason to be fussing and bothering yourself about no future. The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn will only make you think about stuff, and you don't want to be doing that.